I never thought I'd be recreating this video. So I commented on a Jeff Beson's video 4 years ago. The video was talking about if he were to give an advice to his younger self. So recently, someone commented on the comment I made on that video, asking how my trading journey was 4 years later. So this video is a reply to Sylvester and every other people that would want to learn. Not gonna lie, it was hard. Lots of accounts blown, depression upon depression, lots of tears, and I ended up turning to an introvert. I got tired at some point. I took like 3 months break last year, but 1000% better than 4 years ago. Low-key, 4 years ago, me was making more than I'm making now. In what way now the rate of the naira is skyrocketed. So these are my advices. Number one, you will lose yourself. 4 years later, you begin to question why you actually started in the first place. Even when after the money came, you'll be like, what did I actually wanted to spend it on? Meanwhile, at that time, you had a lot of things that you usually have a list of amount of things that you want to spend that money on. But yet, once the money actually came, you just suddenly forget. Second advice, never trade alone. Have a group of people that you're trading with. A group of people that share the same vision as you do. Having some kind of inner circle or group of friends, look it up, because in some cases, you will make unreasonable decisions like over trading, revenge trading. Those people keep you grounded so you don't make those kind of decisions. Next advice, only capital can change your life. Only capital can change your life. Not gonna lie, capital and psychology is actually the key. If you don't have any capital, you're actually slowing down how fast you're going to reach that level you want to reach in life. Next advice, get other side also. I know most students and Gen Z people hate the word job. But actually, you need a constant inflow of cash so that you can be consistent, which will also increase the tendency of you breaking out fast. Next advice, prop firms are scam, but still work if you buy enough. It's literally like playing a game. The more you play, the more experience you get. Before you could win and kill the final boss, you just have to keep playing it to an extent that it will be impossible for you to fail. Demo account doesn't help. I know, yeah, demo account is the best thing to do ever, but it doesn't help. It doesn't give you real life simulation of actually trading. The fake it till you make it scenario doesn't work in this kind of situation. The only reason I think you need a demo account is to be able to navigate how you place a trade. Not only that, how to calculate risks and all in the MetaTrader 5. But thanks to the constant updating of the MetaTrader 5, now this time is much easier for you to be able to place trades and calculate pips and stop loss. You literally just drag it. Gone are the days, those time, you literally have to carry your hand and just calculate the amount of pips, your stop loss, your TP, your take profit and everything. You have to calculate with your hand with a calculator. I remember those times. Those times were very hard. Especially when you're trading news though. Don't trade news though. But especially when you're trading news, those times you usually have to literally fast and calculate it that okay, this is the amount I want to risk, this is the thing I want to risk. Before I go to the next advice, if you are enjoying this video, be sure to subscribe and click that like button. So the next advice, trade simple strategies. You just need something simple, straight to the point, no headache. Because you actually need a clean, smooth psychology in order to be able to place trades. So if your strategy is giving you headaches, like you have to do this FVG and this thing and this thing and this thing, like I just don't know, it kind of clouds your head. As a beginner, never trade gold. It's going to ruin you and it's going to probably turn you to a gambler. Especially when starting off, you need to trade pairs that will give you kind of peace of mind, not much volatility. That's why if you actually love your psychology, I'll advise you to avoid gold as much as possible. Maybe until maybe you've gotten to a certain amount of wealth, then you can be trading gold later on. And even though you haven't trading gold at that time, you still have to keep it in the low. You will not trade it as frequent as you trade other pairs. Next advice, don't borrow to trade. Don't trade your friends' money. And don't tell anyone you trade at all. Not your family, not your friends outside. Literally no one. Except, of course, people in the internet if you were to dive into content. Like this thing, I don't even actually need to talk about it until you actually experience it. That's when you actually understand what I'm talking about. But I've given you my advice. And lastly, have a never giving up mentality. Like the mentality that even after 5 years, if you even still made nothing, you still keep trading. Like I know, yeah, you're probably insane for that, but still for real, that's what you actually need. Just have a good mentality, make your psychology your topmost priority, and just stick to the profit. Believe me, this journey is a hard one, and I advise no one to trade Forex. But if you're already in, welcome to the gang. We'll be successful, die trying. We must be successful by all means. Just a reminder, no risks, no rally was never a lie. The best is not by rally. So that's all for this video, guys. See our boys at the top. Like and sub.